How to use Monday.com for grant management. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use Monday.com for grant management. So we're going to head over to Monday.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be pretty much very easy. We're going to head over the left side of the screen, head over the workspace, and we're going to add something. Right there, we're going to add a board. This board is going to be something that we're going to have. So let's check if we're going to find something within the templates. So I'm going to type in grant management. So we have grant management. Basically, we're going to manage our entire grant pipeline from A to Z and track opportunities with this. As you can see, templates. We're going to be glad to add this and use this template, and it is going to be pretty much very simple. We're going to wait for a few seconds until it is going to be preparing the importation of the grant board, and here you go. So we have the active grants. As you can see, we have a guide or a specific guide for it. You can go ahead and add a grant for it, and here it is. This is a specific grant management. So we have grant names, the status of it, the owner, due date, grant amount, and also the grant provider. So you can have the active grants. You have also the grant submitted, and you can go ahead and add a new group of grants. So you can go ahead and add a grant from here or from there, and also check up the grant and also the sub grants that we have, or sub items that we have on it. So this is how you're going basically to use the grant. That was pretty much it for it. So basically we can see that we have the grant pipeline, we have the grant providers, we have a grants dashboard, and also we have the manual guide for using it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.